Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread without eggs and an oven. First, gather your ripe bananas, flour, sugar, baking soda, and a liquid binder like applesauce or yogurt. You'll also need a stovetop pan with a lid or a microwave-safe dish. Ensure your bananas are very ripe for the best flavor and natural sweetness. This simple approach makes delicious banana bread accessible to everyone. When replacing eggs, ripe bananas are your best friend, providing both moisture and binding. For a reliable substitute, mix 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. Alternatively, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce or plain yogurt can effectively replace 1 egg, adding moisture without altering the flavor significantly. These options ensure your bread holds together beautifully. To cook without an oven, you have several great options. For a stovetop method, pour your batter into a greased, covered pan over very low heat, cooking for about 45 to 60 minutes. For a quick single serving, microwave a small portion in a mug for 2 to 3 minutes. A slow cooker is perfect for a larger loaf. Line it with parchment paper and cook on low for 2 to 3 hours. For the best results, always use very ripe bananas with plenty of brown spots. They offer the most natural sweetness and moisture. Feel free to customize your bread by adding a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, or pecans to the batter. After cooking, allow your banana bread to cool completely before slicing. This ensures it sets properly and has the perfect texture for enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.